The Appalachian Trail Museum is located inside a 200-year-old grist mill in Pine Grove Furnace State Park, Pennsylvania. It is located near the midpoint of the 2,180-mile Appalachian Trail. The museum is the only museum in the United States that is dedicated to hiking. The museum has exhibits that are devoted to early founders of the trail, and the museum features changing exhibits, a through hiker photo display of 10,000 Appalachian Trail hikers, a hiker's lounge, and a storytelling center to encourage visitors to share hiking experiences. The ground floor of the building has been transformed into a children's area.